So I was minding my own business when I got another alert last night that Gwen Stefani has made the news again for plastic surgery. I don't know why I keep getting these emails. It's kind of funny. It's kind of endearing. I feel connected to this singer that I really don't have a connection with. But somehow Gwen Stefani is captivating the media and international audiences for having this sort of fountain of youth, this beauty that just is too good to be true. It doesn't make sense. So everybody has speculated from day one that she's had bad plastic surgery. And I don't know why I found myself coming to her defense more times than one, but maybe something is different this time. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jonathan Zelken, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Newport Beach, California. I specialize in the face and breast and body, and today I'm here to talk about Gwen Stefani, and now there may be proof that she's had plastic surgery to her face, all because of one or more viewers who watched a Sephora ad. Apparently there's an advertisement of our favorite singer who was in a very attractive red dress and was turning a certain way when her hairline looked different. Now, this is a woman, mind you, who has denied receiving any kind of facial plastic surgery, but she probably had rhinoplasty, we get it, and she's definitely had fillers or something recently that was spotted on a TV show, and I presented on that in previous videos. But now we've got proof that she has a facelift. I want to kind of be a little bit skeptical about this and also try to educate you, my viewers, about assuming telltale signs of facelift and other plastic surgery. So first and foremost, if you look at her hairline, it hasn't changed through the ages. There's no difference between her hairline now and then, and there's certainly no evidence that the sideburn in front of her ear or the hair in front of her ear has changed. There's no evidence whatsoever. She's always had a fairly small, we call it a temporal tuft. But more importantly, if you look at her ear, there are no telltale signs of a facelift. Other videos I've presented have talked about telltale signs of facelift, including a widened or hypertrophic scar, an unusual appearing tragus or cartilage portion of your ear right here, a pulled down or pixie ear, or more importantly, just visible scars that can't be covered up with makeup. I've seen other celebrities and actresses on certain TV shows that I know have had a facelift, and it's funny that nobody's really talked about them having facelifts, and these are, very important, A-list celebrities that nobody ever really talks about. But Gwen Stefani does capture a lot of attention. So if you or anybody you know is the victim of a lot of people talking about you getting a facelift and you don't have one, I'll stand behind you. In this case, I want to talk about telltale signs of facelift once more, and it's unusual ear shape, a visible scar in front of the ear, effacement or change in the position of the tragus, and sure, you can definitely lose sideburn hair if you've had a facelift incision that extends into the temple and you pull it up. In Miss Stefani's case, that just didn't happen. So I congratulate you, Gwen, for continuously looking so good. For the audience, no, I didn't do her facelift. No, I'm not protecting myself or protecting Miss Stefani. I'm just telling you guys that as a plastic surgeon, I have no reason to believe that this poor young woman who's had many opportunities to admit to having a facelift continues to say, guys, back off. I haven't had a facelift. I'm just good looking. Give her the credit she deserves. So anyway, that's today's little topic. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any other questions or concerns, maybe you can ask in the comments section below. Be nice, please. And I would also say that as far as putting energy into being sort of internet sleuths, one thing that deserves more attention is to be able to spot fakes as far as plastic surgeons befores and afters, and being more aware and savvy about befores and afters being genuine or not. So I can talk about that in other videos as well, but I think that deserves more attention than speculation about Gwen Stefani's facelift that she never had. Thank you so much. Bye.